Hi there, my name is Jane Wesley Brooks. I am a certified family law specialist with JWB Family Law in San Diego, California. Welcome to Tuesday's Tips. Today's tip is, what do you do if you miss a court appearance? Well, the first answer is it's probably a good idea not to miss any court appearances. I strongly encourage you to always write down the date, the time, the courthouse, the courtroom, the judge's name of where you need to appear, and make it a priority in your life. Why? When you fail to appear, you run the risk of the court making orders that you don't want and that you haven't had an opportunity to be heard on. However, if you missed your court appearance, the very first thing that I would do is figure out what sort of court appearance it was. If it was a family resolution conference or a status conference or a CMC conference, those are fairly routine hearings, and you ought to be able to look on the register of actions and see if the court just continued the hearing to another date, or if it's soon after the hearing, you might be able to go down to the business office and find out from the minute order or from the court's records what happened at that hearing that you missed. If it was a more substantive hearing, for instance, like custody and visitation, child support, spousal support, exclusive use, possession and control of the marital home, that's a more serious issue. If you missed it and you knew that you missed it and it's within a few days of missing it, you don't have an attorney, you ought to go down to the courtroom and get a copy of the minute order, find out what the court ordered, and see how you can get heard on that hearing. See if you can get the court to put you back on calendar to be heard, to set aside what was previously ordered. But you better have a pretty good reason for having missed the hearing, like you got in a car accident on the way to court, or you were in the ER or something pretty major. Otherwise, you're going to be held to whatever the orders were on that day. I would strongly suggest that if you don't have an attorney and you missed a substantive or in a hearing, that you contact a family law attorney to find out what can be done in your matter. Best of luck to you, but most of all, show up.